Would you look at that? Look at that beautiful dish. Let's take it backwards. Let's break it down. Let's take that sauce away, that beautiful red wine sauce. Let me take you back to the beginning on how to make this wonderful red wine sauce. Hey everybody, Johnny Mac with the Sauce and Gravy channel. Let me break it down for you. Red wine sauce. Let's go. Start off with your burner on medium heat. We're going to throw in 1 tablespoon of butter. Throw it on in. Let's melt that bad boy down. And then we're going to add some diced onions. We want to dice this really nicely, kind of fine diced, nice and small. We're going to throw this on in, and then we're going to throw in some garlic as well. 2 cloves of garlic, nicely minced and then smashed into the boards so that you release all the flavors. You want these all to be really fine and really small, nice chopped pieces. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to saute both of these on medium heat until they're both translucent and nice and tender, roughly about 6 minutes or so. This is such an easy recipe to make, so it uses items that are just really readily available in the kitchen. Typically, you've got mustard, you've got the wine, you've got onions, garlic, just herbs such as thyme. It's just a really easy recipe to make. Okay, great. So the onions and garlic, they look perfect. They're nice and translucent, nice and soft. So now it's time to throw in a little bit of honey. We're going to throw in 1 teaspoon of honey. Then grab the star of the show, the red wine. I would use any sort of red wine that you drink. I wouldn't use cooking wine. Just anything that you drink is going to taste a whole lot better than that regular store-bought cooking wine. So go ahead, grab about half of a cup of it, throw it on in, start stirring it up, and we're ready to go. Then we're going to grab a little Dijon mustard. We're going to throw in 2 teaspoons of Dijon. This will add a little bit of flavor, some wonderful taste to the sauce. Go ahead and throw it on in. Now stir it all together. We're going to reduce this mixture down by 2/3, so you're going to cook it on medium heat for more or less about 10 minutes. Okay, so our 10 minutes are up. You can see it started to get nice and thick. It's thicker, it's reduced down. So now we're going to add a little bit of aromatics to the old sauce. We're going to throw in a little bit of thyme. So this is some fresh thyme. We're going to go ahead and throw in roughly about a teaspoon of fresh thyme. Of course, now we're going to throw in a little salt and pepper to taste. So go ahead and turn off the burner so we don't have any heat going. We're going to grab some cold butter. So we're going to add the remaining portion of butter, 1 tablespoon of butter. It's been in the refrigerator, it's chilling. We're going to throw it on into the good old mixture and we're going to mix it all together. Check out this guy who's trying to escape. He wants to get out of there, but nope, get on in there. So now the butter is going to help give a nice gloss, and it's also going to give a nice rich, creamy flavor to the sauce. And that's it, a delicious, easy red wine sauce. Delicious for wonderful steaks. It cuts that acidity in the fat, just makes it taste so delicious. And this is a very, very simple sauce to do, plus you have a little bit of wine left over to enjoy for your meal. There you go, there you have it, red wine sauce. Hey, well, I hope you enjoyed the recipe. If sauces and gravies are your thing, please do hit that subscribe button. There are more sauces and gravies to come. Thanks for watching. See you next time.